Welcome to the video. I'm Sadia and I'll give you an overview of MyHCM payroll software. MyHCM payroll software unleashed the payroll superhero. That is faster than a speeding calculator, more accurate than a payroll wizard, and able to leap piles of paperwork in a single click. MyHCM comes with a number of fantastic features. The number one is super speed payroll processing. Zip through calculations faster than a superhero on caffeine. Say goodbye to manual errors and hello to precise paychecks. The second most important feature is employee empowerment. That gives your teams the power to manage their own payroll and keep a check on their progress, performance, and attendance. The third important feature is that it's a tax compliance defender. Shield your company from tax trouble. Stay up to date with ever changing regulations and effortlessly generate reports. Fourthly, it is a time and attendance avenger. Manage overtime and attendance with the speed of a lightning bolt. Track overtime and keep productivity soaring. Moving on, it is a customizable deduction and benefits captain. Tailor your deduction and benefits programs according to your team's needs. Retirement plans, health insurance, and many, many more. Your options are endless.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Suruj Islam and today I will share my overview about my HCM payroll software. My functionality of my HCM payroll software is a tool of a true superhero. It includes a power packed integration, also user friendly interface, cloud based access anywhere in the universe, scalable for a business of all sizes, small and big enterprises, unbreakable security that may to protect our valuable data, mobile app or on go payroll management just like a true hero. Other thing is pricing option that unlock your superpower at affordable prices. It includes three plan, basic plan, pro plan, and enterprise plan. Basic plan is small hero package for per month. Pro plan is mighty adventure package that additional feature like tax compliances and employee self-service. And third is enterprises plan that supreme superhero package that contact sale customizable package with advanced functionality and support. And the other thing is the customer review real stories of payroll superheroes. First one was JND CEO at XYZ Corporation says, my HCM payroll software transform our payroll process into a crime fighting force. It's a real game changer. By John S. Was HR manager at ABC Corporation says, with my HCM employee self-service, our team become payroll superheroes. They love having control over their packaging paychecks. Third was the Sara TCFO at DEF company says the integration with our existing system was like a superpower. It saves us time, money, and tons of headache. And the last thing is conclusion about the MyHCM payroll software. Unleash your payroll superpower. Its first step is the step into the shoes of a true payroll superhero with MyHCM. Its other is save time, eliminate error, and conquer your payroll challenge. Third is choosing the plan that suit the super business need and budget. And last is the join our league of satisfied that customer and become a payroll superhero today. Thanks for joining the payroll.
The benefits of HCM softwares are the following. Number one, make data driven decisions. HCM allows the company to take employees' data they have gathered and use analytics to make well researched business decisions. This could help the company to save money in the long run as the company is not throwing money at unproven ideas. Number two, increase employee satisfaction. Employee will be more happy and productive if business decisions are being made based on their development with the software that helps with the software that supports development goal and professional development. Number three, improve retention rate. Employees stick longer around as though they feel they have stake in the company. Having HCM software tracks development, provide employee education, promote staff retention. Therefore, by cutting down the cost and time involved in hiring new employees.
Welcome to the video. My name is Zaruj Islam and today I will share the disadvantages of MyHCM payroll software system. MyHCM payroll software. The first disadvantage of MyHCM payroll software system is the data entering take too much time and will not have immediate responses to solve issues quickly. And the second disadvantage is learning platform and talent management module is the weakest platform of other MyHCM payroll system. Third disadvantage is need to request more report to fulfill our needs. And the fourth disadvantage in this application design and improve for more into executive level company. It should be improved on the non-executive level feature and functional operation. The limited flexibility available on aligning non-executive staff level requirements. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, this is Kinza Irfan and I am going to discuss about what was the installation process of MyHCM in GoDesign. Our team faced many challenges and also many issues while installing this HR software in GoDesign, but we successfully overcome it and let GoDesign HR system automate it. First of all, I must want to share that what was the initial assessment and planning for GoDesign. Basically, before initiating this step, as I was the HR person in GoDesign, I was working there as an HR. So I identify what are the major issues and what issues they are really facing. So when I get to know about their HR system is not as much automated, so I suggest them to adopt my HCM software, which is complete solution for HR automation. So after meetings and after presentations, I agree them and my team, not only me, my team let them agree about my HCM software, and we install it successfully. And also the collaboration process with the GoDesign was also not easy, because owner was not quite like satisfied with their HRIS software, because they were thinking that it might be expense for them, but we guide them properly that it isn't an expense, it is their need. They need to adopt HRIS software. After that, we face some issues, and which issues was like some technical issues we faced there. And what were they? I will discuss. It was, first of all, we face a compatibility issue. Compatibility issues can Go Design is a company which software vision which was not as much compatible for adopting that software, as they are not financially stable, and they also know like have issue regarding their kind of finances as well, because they are not financially stable at that time, and they have not a strong IT team as well. But my HCM has benefit that it guide its customer very clearly and very effectively. So the compatibility issue will resolve when my HCM team collaborate with GoDesign team, and then let them understand that what is my HCM and what they basically up to. The second issue was data migration. Data migration, as you know, that in any organization it has its own like data kind of things, that if my Go Design data is already installed in its own computer, which was manual, but shifting that data on my HCM like software was quite time consuming. So this issue also we had faced. Next we issue which we had faced, that customization and configuration. As we were totally focused on our major focused on payroll, which was a very effective part of my HCM. But although Go Design are also lacking on employee boarding and employee portals, and although they have not a proper kind of performance management system as well, so we also guide them about how to resolve these issues as well. So my HCM was the complete platform for them, which will cover all these things. So we suggest them to adopt it. So after adopting my HCM, their payroll issue, their performance management issues, these all issues were solved. And the next challenge which we had faced there was training and user adaptation. Firstly, as my team and we let them understand that what is my HCM software, we guide them very well. But my HCM team play a very impressive role in this thing, that like my HCM know that if they are selling anything, then they need to guide their client as well, that how to use that software effectively. So after training programs and all, my HCM guide GoDesign employees and my team, as I was HR person there, so I have HR team under me, so they guide us about how to use HR software and all these things. Although in conclusion I must say that installation process of MyHCM in GoDesign was not quite easy for us, but it was a very kind of a good experience of mine, and that my team worked very effectively, and we effectively let them agree on to install our software in their organization. And also, although I must say that my HCM was quite economical, as they charge 400 for every employee, and their initial charges was the start charges was 1500, which GoDesign had paid, and their regular monthly base charges are 400 per person. So it's all about the expense of my HCM, which GoDesign bear it. And now their HR department is totally automated, and their payroll system is very enhanced and very automated. They have no issue on their manual editing of pay slips, and sending employee their pay slip through mails and all, because as I was working as an HR in their organization, it was very hectic for me. So it was a very good experience of my HCM for GoDesign, as I was employee of GoDesign. So I also want to share my experience as well, that the software which my team installed in GoDesign was very effective for them. And we also attached the experience of Kashif Farid, which was the HR manager of GoDesign. So you can also view it as well. So it's all about the installation process of my HCM software in GoDesign. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. Today I want to take a moment to share my thoughts on my HCM. First of all, I'm very thankful to the team of my HCM that they provide us a wonderful experience of using the HR software. Firstly, I'm very gratitude by using it. It has very user-friendly interface, and all the functionality on dashboard is very vast and very clear. The second thing, it's self portal, that it not only employer, but the employees can also use the self portal, and which they will can ask about the leaves. They can check their monthly reports, they can check their performance. So this is very great. The second, the challenge we had faced during the implementation of my HCM in GoDesign is the integration of the data, the processing of data from the previous HR software to the new one. It's always a challenging. And again, as we are using the new technology and we have to train our team regarding the new technology of my HCM. So it's always a difficult when you switch to technology, when you use other software, and then teaching process will be in it. So overall my experience is very great, and I'm very thankful to Kinza for helping us to integrate the my HCM.
Hi there, I am Abdullah Ayub, and today I am going to telling you about the MyHCM payroll software. As a leading HR software provider, MyHCM has been successfully implemented at GoDesign by our team. Throughout our experience, we have gained valuable insights and identified actionable recommendations for GoDesign and other businesses. Considering the adoption of MyHCM or other payroll softwares, before starting the implementation process, it is crucial to define clear goals aligned with your organization's HR strategy. Identify specific pain points or areas of improvement that you aim to address with MyHCM. This will help you streamline the implementation process and assess the software's effectiveness in meeting your objectives. Successful implementation of MyHCM requires active involvement and support from key stakeholders with your organization. Create a cross functional implementation team comprising representatives from HR, IT, and other relevant departments. These stakeholders should be engaged from the beginning, providing insight and feedback throughout the process to ensure a smooth transition and adoption. Before migrating your HR data to MyICM, conduct a comprehensive audit to identify any inconsistencies, duplications, or inaccuracies. Cleanse and update the data to ensure its integrity and reliability within the new system. This step is crucial for accurate reporting, employee self-service, and smooth HR operation post implementation. Thank you so much.